Welcome dear students. Now I am going to show you the interchange of different type of sentences in present perfect continuous tense. First of all, I have given two sentences in assertive affirmative structure. He has been sleeping for 2 hours. The boy has been living here from his boyhood. Look here, he subject, the boy subject has been sleeping for 2 hours, has been living here from his boyhood. Has been main verb ing, has been main verb ing, or have been main verb ing, that means present perfect continuous tense. Now first of all, if I want to change it into assertive negative, then the first one will be he has not been. He has not been sleeping. He has not been sleeping for 2 hours. He has not been sleeping for 2 hours. That means not is placed just after has, have or has. Similarly, second one, the boy has been living here from his boyhood. If I want to make this sentence into assertive negative, then the answer will be like this: the boy has not been living, the boy has not been living here from his boyhood. The boy has not been living here from his boyhood. That means not is placed just after have or has. If we want to make this assertive affirmative sentence change into assertive negative. Thereafter, if I want to make these sentences interrogative affirmative, if I want to make these sentences interrogative affirmative, then the answer will be like this. For the first one, has he been sleeping for 2 hours? Has he been sleeping for 2 hours? That means has is placed just before the subject. Have or has will be placed just before the subject. In this way we can change into interrogative affirmative. Similarly, the second one, the boy has been living here from his boyhood. If I want to make this sentence change into interrogative affirmative, the answer will be has the boy been living here from his boyhood. At last, question mark. Has the boy been living here from his boyhood? Here also have or has will be placed just before the subject. In this way we can change them into interrogative affirmative sentence. Now I will change them into interrogative negative. Now I will change them into interrogative negative. First one, he has been sleeping for 2 hours. Has he not been sleeping? Has he not been sleeping for 2 hours? Has he not been sleeping for 2 hours? If we use full form, then we have to see if the subject is noun or pronoun. He, it is subject noun. That's why if we use full form, we have to use not after the subject pronoun. He, it is subject pronoun. He, it is subject pronoun. If we use full form, then we have to note if the subject is noun or pronoun. If the subject is pronoun, he, like this, then not will be placed just after the subject pronoun. Or we can write using shortened form, hasn't he been sleeping? Hasn't he been sleeping for 2 hours? Question mark. In this way we can change. Similarly, second one also we can change in the same way. Second one, the boy has been living here from his boyhood. We can do in this way, has not the boy been living here? Has not the boy been living here from his boyhood? From his boyhood? Question mark. Here the boy, it is subject noun. That's why not is placed just before the subject noun. Or we can write using the shortened form in this way. Hasn't the boy been living here? Been living here from his boyhood? From his boyhood. Hasn't the boy been living here from his boyhood? Question mark. In this way we can interchange assertive affirmative into assertive negative, thereafter into interrogative affirmative, and thereafter into interrogative negative. Okay.